So we're going to be doing a quick breakdown on SoFi stock today, guys, going over a bunch of different time frames here on the chart. We're going to talk about whether or not I'm buying it, am I selling it, am I looking to just hold on to the stock? That's if I already hold the stock. We're going to go over a bunch, so if you all find value, of course, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 17 stocks for Moomoo, link down below. We'll talk more about that later, and with that being said, let's dive into the video. So check it out. SoFi, if you guys remember, they reported earnings about a month ago, probably over a month ago at this point. Yeah, this was actually in the end of January. Yeah, end of January on the 30th of the month, they reported earnings. And if you guys don't remember, I'll zoom in and show you all. This ended up exploding after earnings. The stock went from $5.65, $5.70 roughly, all the way up to $8 and almost 30 cents in the span of, what was that, a week? I mean, we're talking less than a week. The stock ran up 45%. Massive move there. And since that point, and mind you, that point hit in the beginning of February. So we're talking from the end of January, beginning of February, we had that 45% move. And since that point, which mind you, now that I'm looking at this, let me draw this out. That was resistance, the mid-8s. That was resistance back in the beginning of August. So essentially, we ran up to that point in the beginning of August. From the beginning of August, we got rejected at that point in the beginning of February, and we've been downtrending ever since. You guys can see we've gone from 830, now we're all the way down to 540. We're actually under where we were when we rallied after the earnings. So we're actually at a multi-month low right now. Well, maybe not multi-month low, but we're at a multi-week low on SoFi. We're under the moving averages. We have a death cross here on the 4-hour chart where we have the 50 SMA crossing under the 180 SMA. That's not the most bullish sign. In fact, that's quite bearish, right, guys? And if I draw out this channel, let me show you all what I'm seeing here on this channel. We're still clearly in a downwards channel. You guys can see it right here. We've been trading in this ever since that sell-off from the beginning of February. So something has to give here, guys. Something has to give on SoFi. What are we going to do? We've been kind of consolidating the past couple of trading days. If I pop up on the 5-day, you'll see this. We've been holding flat around $5, $5.30, mid-5s, which is a good sign for the bulls, and that goes to show we are seeing a little bit of consolidation at the bottom of this channel. So what's going to give, right? What's going to happen? Are we going to see a rally here, maybe towards the top of the channel, which could put us anywhere from $6.25, maybe mid-6s, or is this going to fall right through the floor and start dumping under $5? Maybe we start going to the 4s. That's the million-dollar question. And quite frankly, by the looks of it, I'm thinking we're going to be bouncing in the short term on SoFi. We already have arguably a bullish divergence forming here. You guys see it on the RSI here on the 4-hour chart. So I'm thinking it's already beaten down so much, very aggressively beaten down. As long as we hold 5, the mid-5s, which we are right now, we could be setting up for that rally, like I said, towards $6, maybe even higher, towards that 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart, which could put it in the mid-6s. So I think in the very short term, guys, SoFi is due for a bit of a relief rally. We got destroyed from the beginning of March up until now. I mean, this stock started the month at about $7. Now we're under $5.50. So I'm thinking we're due for some sort of relief rally. And if I clear the whole drawing set, guys, what do we have here forming? You could argue this is an inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hour chart. Do you guys see it? We have the left shoulder right here. We have the head right here. Boom. Then we have the right shoulder potentially forming right here. Is that a long shot? I don't know. That's kind of what I'm seeing here personally. And the neckline is right around $4.85, $5, $5.50, kind of right where we are right now. So that goes to show, that gives me even more reason to believe we're due for a short-term rally here on SoFi. And let me say this right now, guys. I actually don't own SoFi right now, so I can't sell it, but I'm looking at it as a short-term trade. Let me say that right now. I'm not looking to invest in SoFi for the long term. I'm not saying it's a crappy company. All I'm saying is the way I'm looking at it here is for a short-term bounce, couple-day type of trade, maybe a swing trade on that relief rally that we might get. Keyword is might. We don't know for sure what's going to happen, but that's kind of a rundown here on what I'm seeing on the 4-hour time frame and kind of on the smaller time frames as well. And you can see on the 1-year chart, the inverse head and shoulders even more clearly. And if I pull up the 3-year chart, you're going to notice just how beaten down SoFi really is. I mean, this stock was at kind of triple topped here at about 25. That was back in 2021. Of course, you guys remember 2021 was a crazy year for the stock market. And since that point, this thing has gone down to almost penny stock status. To me, anything under $5 is a penny stock. We're at 546 right now. We're almost there. So keep your eyes on the inverse head and shoulders, guys, this week on SoFi on the 4-hour chart. Watch out for that downwards channel like we called out on the 20-day. You guys will see it on the 4-hour chart as well. Let's see if we do end up getting some sort of relief rally right here on SoFi. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Again, I personally don't own SoFi, but if you do, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. If you like the way I break down stocks, check out that Patreon link down below. You also get access to my Patreon portfolio, the Discord chat, all the charts, all my thoughts throughout the day, and you get one-on-one access. That's linked down below. Don't forget to also get up to 17 stocks for a moo using that link down below as well. Open up an account. You get 1 free share of stock. Deposit at least $100. You get another 6 free shares of stock. And if you deposit at least $1,000, guys, you get another 10 stocks, totaling 17 free stocks. So if you want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that moo link down below. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.